Disappear and become unrecognizable in 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, the new year is here. 2025 has arrived, and with it comes an opportunity to evolve, to transform, to become the best version of yourself. This year, I challenge you to disappear. Not physically, not from your loved ones, but from the old version of yourself. Disappear from your doubts. Disappear from your bad habits. Disappear from everything that has held you back in the past. Because when you emerge at the end of 2025, I want you to be unrecognizable. Success is not about luck. It's about discipline. It's about consistency. It's about waking up every day and deciding that you refuse to be the same person you were yesterday. You see, most people stay the same because they fear change. They fear discomfort. But nothing grows in a comfort zone. So this year, choose to embrace the discomfort. 1. Disappear into the grind. Wake up earlier. Work harder. Read more. Learn more. Invest in yourself. Let your success be so loud that your excuses become silent. 2. Disappear from negativity. Cut out distractions. Let go of toxic relationships. Stop engaging in self-doubt. Protect your energy. When you eliminate the negative, you make space for the positive. 3. Disappear from the old mindset. Stop waiting for the right moment. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for someone to believe in you. Take action. Right now. The best way to predict your future is to create it. At the end of 2025, when people see you, they should say, "Who is this person?" They are unrecognizable. Because you have put in the work. You have reinvented yourself. You have transformed. The world does not reward mediocrity. The world rewards the relentless. So disappear into your purpose. Disappear into your mission. And when you reappear, let them witness greatness. Disappear into the grind, commit to self-improvement by waking up earlier, working harder, reading more, and continuously learning. Disappear from negativity, remove distractions, let go of toxic relationships, and eliminate self-doubt to create space for positivity. Disappear from the old mindset, stop waiting for motivation or the right moment, take action now to shape your future. Embrace discomfort, growth happens outside the comfort zone, so push yourself beyond fear and limitations. Reappear as the best version of yourself. By the end of 2025, you should be transformed, leaving people in awe of your progress and success. Let me know if you'd like to refine or expand on any points. Disappear into the grind means fully immersing yourself in hard work, self-improvement, and discipline. It's about dedicating yourself to a relentless pursuit of success, blocking out distractions, and focusing on becoming the best version of yourself. Wake up earlier, maximize your day by starting early and prioritizing productivity. Work harder, push beyond limits, go the extra mile, and stay consistent in your efforts. Read more and learn more, feed your mind with knowledge and skills that elevate you. Invest in yourself, whether it's through education, fitness, or mental growth, make self-improvement a daily habit. Let success be louder than excuses, stay committed and disciplined so that your results speak for themselves. By disappearing into the grind, you ensure that your transformation in 2025 is undeniable. Disappear from negativity means cutting out all the toxic influences, thoughts, and habits that drain your energy and hold you back from success. It's about protecting your mindset and surrounding yourself with positivity, growth, and purpose. Eliminate toxic relationships, let go of people who bring you down, doubt you, or discourage your dreams. Avoid distractions, stop wasting time on meaningless activities like excessive social media, gossip, or negativity. Silence self-doubt, replace limiting beliefs with confidence and self-empowerment. Protect your energy, surround yourself with people and environments that uplift and inspire you. Focus on growth, choose books, podcasts, and habits that encourage personal and professional development. By disappearing from negativity, you create space for success, happiness, and transformation in 2025. Disappear from the old mindset means letting go of outdated beliefs, fears, and excuses that have kept you stuck. It's about reprogramming your thinking for success and adopting a mindset of growth, action, and resilience. Stop waiting for the right moment. There will never be a perfect time. Start now, even if you're not ready. Take action despite fear. Fear will always exist, but courage is moving forward anyway. Eliminate the victim mentality. Stop blaming circumstances. Take full responsibility for your life and results. Shift from wishing to doing. Don't just dream about success. Set goals, make a plan, and execute. Believe in your ability to change. Growth is possible when you commit to learning, adapting, and evolving daily. By disappearing from the old mindset, you step into a new reality, one where you are in control, capable, and unstoppable in 2025. Embrace discomfort means stepping outside your comfort zone and facing challenges head-on, knowing that growth and transformation happen through struggle and perseverance. It's about pushing past fear, uncertainty, and temporary pain to unlock your full potential. Accept that growth is uncomfortable. The best things in life, success, strength, and confidence, come from struggle and persistence. Do what scares you, whether it's speaking up, taking risks, or learning something new. Discomfort is a sign of progress. Push beyond limits. Break through self-imposed barriers by consistently challenging yourself in work, fitness, and personal growth. Stay disciplined even when it's hard. Motivation fades, but discipline keeps you going when you don't feel like it. Turn setbacks into lessons. Instead of fearing failure, use mistakes as stepping stones toward improvement. By embracing discomfort, you become mentally and physically stronger, preparing yourself for a life of success, resilience, and transformation in 2025.